I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2010 Ford Fusion 2.5 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Flat tip screwdriver, universal oil pan drain plug wrench, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 7mm socket, 2 different type cup oil filter wrench, and my drain pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. Engine oil filter, 5 quarts 520 Mobil 1 full synthetic engine oil, and a can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. Okay, first I'm going to be removing my engine oil filler cap, and then I'm going to be putting in my funnel. Now we're going to go under the vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to be removing the engine oil pan drain plug. So there's like a hole right in here. We're going to be removing this plug. Okay, so I'm going to be putting back my drain plug. And tightening it up. Now we're going to be changing the oil filter. So I'm going to be removing this plastic cover. There's 4 bolts and it's written oil filter. So we're going to remove it. And this uses a 7mm socket. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this oil filter. I'm going to be using this cup type oil filter wrench to unscrew it. Okay, that guy is on real tight. We're going to use a different wrench now. Okay, we're going to try again with a different wrench. So I'm going to be putting on the new filter, but first I'm going to be putting some oil on my rubber seal. So that way when you spin it on, it just slides on. So now we're going to be checking the block side. Make sure there's no rubber seal on the block side. If there is, remove it. So we're going to be cleaning up the block side. I'm re-screwing on my filter. Then I'm going to be tightening it up with my cup type wrench. So I'm going to be putting back my plastic cover. So we're going to be tightening it up. Don't make it too tight, just snug it. Okay, we're going to be putting in the engine oil. So I'm going to be adding a can of MOA. So I'm going to be removing my funnel. I'm going to be putting on my oil filler cap. Okay, so I lowered the vehicle. Now I'm going to be starting up the engine. We're going to let it run for a little while. Okay, that should be good enough, so you can turn it off. So we're going to be checking the oil level, pulling the dipstick out, wiping it down, putting it back in, pulling it out. We're checking the level. Perfect, right up to the full mark. So that's how you change engine oil and an oil filter. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.